Well, I'm about to start my first commercial job, and of course the wind starts picking up. Cool. But it's not enough to keep me from going. It's only 5 or 10 miles an hour. But I am really excited and kind of nervous that I'm going to get this right. But I want to get this done because I have my daughter's basketball practice today, so I'm going to get right to it. Okay, so I finished the first job and it was really tough. First, one thing I did not realize I was going to be doing when I was doing real estate stuff is how much you have to read maps and understand plat maps and different things, because they want you to get the whole property in the footage and in the photo. And some of those properties, especially that first one, was large. It was like 40 plus acres. This second one that you can see now is only like 2.5 acres. So it was a little easier to actually get in the footage, but you still have to know what you're looking for, what you're getting, and angles that they want, and make sure that you're getting all the aspects that they want in the video. But, you know, I had a lot of fun, and these are my first 2 jobs that I'm showing here that I was doing. There's a lot of different things that the customer asks for. None of them are unreasonable. It's all within reason, but you need to make sure that you can do them. So it was kind of fun. It was kind of new. It was kind of interesting. I haven't done this with my drone before, but I was flying on one side of the freeway. Obviously, you can't fly across the freeway with a drone. I mean, I guess you could if there was absolutely no cars coming and you knew that there was going to be no cars coming as you were going over it. That's this section of freeway whatsoever. This section of freeway always has cars on it, no matter what time of day, night, whatever. But I flew from one side of the freeway, got some pictures, and then went to the other side of the freeway, got some other stuff. And a lot of these videos that I'm showing you are just me goofing around in between getting different shots. Of course, the actual pictures that I took belong to the client now, and so they have them. But it was fun, and now I'm going to show you guys kind of a goof-off video of what I did with the first paycheck. So one thing that is a bonus of getting your Part 107, like I've been showing you, is some of the money you can make on jobs, and here is my first 2 jobs. So let's also play with the drone. We're gonna make the drone take off and make it fly. Yeah.
In the trash it goes.